Oh, even gets out of this. Oh, that thing's got some raw power. Hello guys, Steve here, Shen RC. We got the Kyosho Beetle. This sucker got the 550 motor in there. We're gonna take this out for a rip, but first we're gonna clean it up. You can see it's dirty. So we're gonna just spray some of this last coat, or you could use their amp spray, works also. I just spray everything, just wipe it on the whole body. Like I said before, this stuff helps stop the dirt from sticking to your car. Do everything, the bumpers, the chassis, the wheels. Motor in the back. See the chassis, you could do that. And your wheels. Flip your rag around, give it a quick wipe down. It's really good to have two rags, but I don't, so I'm just using this little one here. The edge of it, that's dry. And there you have it. Now, she's ready to go out. Run, I'll see you at the ball field. Let's hit it. Dusty. Holy smoky. It's really bad today. It's just dust. Oh, it moves pretty good. It's so dusty. Really dusty today. I'm breathing all this in. I'm getting the hell out of here. It's bad. go somewhere else. It's too dusty here. Oh, yeah. Oh, that thing is pulling a wheelie. Ah, so good. Oh, yeah. These tires grip real good. Nothing stopping this beauty. Oh, dang it. Poor Beetle. Poor Beetle. Look at her. She's so dirty. What the hell was that? I always end up hitting rocks, guys. Even in the grass. See if we can climb this hill. This thing got nice power. Ooh. I'll do that. See if we can climb up this. This is pretty steep. Yep. Rock wall. Play around on this rock here. Side wall and it. Boom. Oh. Hit yourself with rocks, Steve. Just hit yourself with big rocks. Oh, what a cone job that was. Oh. He's going nuts. Where am I? Come on, little speed buggy. Oh yeah. Oh, I could hit that on the way back. Oh yeah, I got it. Oh yeah, that was a nice trick. Oh, even gets out of this. Oh, that thing's got some raw power. It's crazy. Let me see what's in there. Coming, sir. Oh! Oh! Alright guys, I think I had enough with this beast. I don't want to break it. Let's see what happened when I beat it up good. Oh, dang. But these Kyoshos are tough. I really like them. If you don't have one of these, I suggest you get one for a vintage chassis. It handles and works really good, the suspension. And it takes a beating, as you've seen. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, leave likes, comments, helps me out. I appreciate you all. Later, guys.